Welcome back, all of my opinionated peeps. You don't know the trendy dancer. And naturally, me I gotta ask you to subscribe if you're new. So me could jump in it like how we do it, though. So, yeah, people, the same policeman I get caught in our video. I destroy a elder man cat, you see me? Second time now, I see them a deal with the elder away, but another will come for talk about. We just want to show people, say, the system not right in a sense. Some people afraid to share the video, but me I share it to them. You see me? Oh, the man for do that. Much destroy much of the man goods and the man yo. Just take in that video yo, before we go anywhere else, yeah, man.
This a go on a Linstead boy. Can't afford everything on my shop. Say road set, you see it?
Yeah, man, that really go down. Want to just comment down below. Tell me what your thoughts on this car. But I support that end idea. Alright, you know, people. So up next, you know what we are going to talk about. Look and see, the greatest. Well, you know the style. Ghetto, Michael Jackson. You see me? Yeah, dog. So the dog go ER settings. The one I take time to star about you, no blind. The dollar for the youth talent. You see that? Yeah, man. You know where that come from, you see me? Where them money come from, it look good for see them thing. Then you see a girl a drop on a fan for the... Yo, people, them thing you may show on right now, if you just understand. Say you don't know where tomorrow might bring, just keep on going. You see me? From the dog, get him looking forward. The dog, I even though a quarantine corona time and it out for end, the dog make man rank over 20k subs probably by followers on Instagram right now, you see me? Dog I go grow, just watch out for him, you see me? Even though him not the way him want for there get to him want get out type, but continue on a journey the youth entertainment never fail, is it? All him and Beanie and them man there right now. You so see some top people on him. But I tell no joke. You see me?
Man, we take that long time. My Jewess, are you the girl that Michael? Yeah. Hey, you must have the girl in my feet and them things, you know. I know you think that. Yeah, the king there, you know, the two king them. King of pop and king of dancehall.
Yeah, people, so that song there is called DM. You see me? From Intence and him brother Was. You see me? So, you know, like the first time that did feature upon the internet, probably like 2 months now. So the people them been a wonder like where that song there you see me, and them they look something there, you see me. So as you can see though, you see me, they make sure say them not just fling it out. So what them a do, they make sure I'm sure you pray. Instead of them just fling out the audio, them work on everything in a one go, you see me. So them are giving the visuals and everything. So it better for the song and my brother end of the day and do all of them, you see it. Yeah, so face and everything, motion, movements, you see me, everything about it. You see me, people, so yeah man, so you can look out for that, you know, you see me, as you can see from it feature upon the net about to release. So that move forward out for make you know in the day, yeah, you see me, so a mad thing, man. I did trend the dancehall, you know. Remember that, you know, if it not trend, we're not talking about it. You see me? So if you not subscribe, please do so and like, share, and share to a friend or a family, a hit.